In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download protected or view-only Google Sheets files from Google Drive without anyone knowing. First, let's begin by accessing a Google Sheets document. Navigate to your Google Drive, which can be found by simply going to drive.google.com. Once there, you might need to search for the specific Google Sheet that you're interested in, especially if you have a lot of files stored. Use the search bar at the top to quickly find and open your desired document. It's essential to ensure that this document is a view-only file. Once you've located the correct sheet, the next step involves downloading it. This is where you need to be a bit more attentive, as simply opening it isn't enough. Look for the sheet in your Google Drive interface and click to highlight it. You'll know it's selected because it will be noticeably different from the rest, often with a highlighted border. Now, you're almost ready to download it. But first, let's make sure you're in the right place. With the document highlighted, you should see a menu at the top bar of your Google Drive window. What you're looking for here are the More options, sometimes indicated by 3 vertical dots or a similar icon. Once you click on this icon, a drop-down menu will appear with various actions you can perform. In this menu, you're seeking the Download option. Click on it, and this initiates the process of downloading your view-only Google Sheet file to your device. Depending on your internet speed and the file size, this might take a moment. Patience here is essential, but once complete, you'll find the file in your Downloads folder or whichever location your browser defaults to for downloaded files. Now that you have the file safely on your computer, you might wonder about the file format. Typically, Google Sheets will download as Excel files with the .xlsx extension. This format is widely compatible and can be opened using a range of software, including Microsoft Excel and other spreadsheet applications. If you prefer a different format, there are numerous online converters available, which can easily change .xlsx files to formats like .csv or .pdf. And just like that, you've successfully downloaded a protected Google Sheet file. This method is efficient and straightforward, ensuring you have access to necessary information without compromising its security or alerting others of your download activity. Always remember, while this process is quite effective, it's crucial to use it responsibly and ethically, respecting the privacy and permissions of original file owners. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide useful, feel free to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials like this one.